As many as 25 people are feared to be trapped under the debris after a chimney collapsed at an under-construction plant in Chhattisgarh, Mungali district. The plant was reportedly manufacturing iron pipes when the incident occurred. The local police have rushed to the site and rescue operations are currently underway. District hospitals have been asked to stay on alert. Prominent Sikkimist citizen Paltan Gyatso Nangpa has rejected Gorkha Rashtriya Congress leader Bharat Dong's January 8 proposal to merge Sikkim with Darjeeling, calling it outdated and irrelevant. Nangpa likened the idea to digging a 100-year-old grave and stressed that both regions have distinct identities developed over decades. He urged that while such discussions might have been relevant during Sikkim's 1975 integration into India, the time for such proposals has long passed. The World Bank has approved Empower, a project to aid 500,000 adolescents in Meghalaya transition from school to work, addressing high dropout rates 11% at the upper primary level and 22% at secondary school, both significantly above national averages. The initiative focuses on bridging learning gaps in grades 6 to 12, offering mental health support, career guidance and life skills training to students and dropouts. Inspired by successful programs in Jharkhand, Tanzania and Bangladesh, Empower aims to improve youth engagement and reduce the dropout number. A heavy gunfight broke out between security forces and NSC and KYA militants at Longka village in Arunachal Pradesh, Changlang district this morning around 9:30 am. The clash occurred during a massive search operation launched to locate two workers abducted from an illegal timber camp in Longvi village on January 6. While combing the jungles of Longka village, security personnel encountered the militants, leading to a fierce exchange of fire. As of now, no casualties have been reported from either side. West Ham United have appointed Graham Potter as their new head coach on a 2.5-year deal, replacing Julian Lopetegui, who was dismissed yesterday after just 20 matches in charge. Potter's first match will be an FA Cup third-round clash against Aston Villa tomorrow, followed by his Premier League debut with West Ham in the London derby against Fulham on January 14. The 49, all returning to the Premier League after leaving Chelsea in April 2023, will be joined by Bruno assistant coach, Billy Riet and Nasser Spilak first-team coaches.